prepared for cow.
Sorry.
सर मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है काव का गलती से.
तुम no, but you know something. Okay, okay. So first of all, listen by few kids. Then after you will try to say something. Okay. Yes, Shivani. Please say something regarding today's topic, environment.
Yes, sir. Environment is the surrounding where we live. A clean environment is necessary for living. Our environment is getting dirty day by day. It is our duty to keep our environment clean. A clean environment keep the atmosphere fresh. We should plant more trees for a healthy environment. We should clean our surrounding regularly. We should not waste water and value natural resources. For save the environment, World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Every year, a clean environment is the scene of happy environment.
Very nice. Can you say something regarding environment?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Shreya. Actually, Shreya, today's topic is very tough for our kids.
What is the topic, sir?
As discussed yesterday, environment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but kids have no more idea. Sakshi, can you say something regarding today's topic, environment?
Yeah, sir.
Today, can you say something regarding environment?
No, sir.
You have no more idea?
No, sir.
You know, nature,
Yeah, sir.
nature, वातावरण. You know, all we are taking oxygen from nature, right? Yes. And due to pollution, yes, yeah, please say something regarding environment. Then after we hope few kids will try to say something. Shreya.
Yes, sir. Okay. So, environment. Our environment is very good. So, I'll just make myself just can I self practice and then can I tell you?
Sorry. So all we know that without environment we can't live. Yes, because the environment provide us oxygen, water, right?
Yes, sir. Our environment. Our environment is so pleasant, so good. It provides us everything that is naturally needed. It provides us food, water, um, air, oxygen, soil, and rainwater, every weather which makes our which makes us feel happy or anything. So everything we survive on earth is only because of our nature, because of our environment. um, um, there are lakes, sea, trees, everything in our environment, but less than our buildings. It is because human are just trying to destroy the earth, and they are not realizing that they are destroying the earth. They are cutting trees, um, they are cutting trees. They do experiments which pollutes air, which is harmful for us and for all living organisms. Mm, that is very incorrect, and um, slowly with because of our gadgets, slowly um, every human being will slowly destroy, because birds get harmful because of our radiations of the phone, um, and as we eat animals, so that is why animals are side by side destroying. We make uh, leather bags, footwears, everything from the skin of the animals. That is what destroying the whole earth slowly. So that is why the environment gives us um, gives us warning from the disasters, natural disasters. Example, tsunami. Uh, so I think we should reduce the pollution we do in our environment, because now we are on this earth just because our environment made by a very made by our God, anything, but which is very good. All living things we include in this environment. So I think we should all reduce the pollution we do. I think we each person on the earth included for the pollution of the earth. So I think we should reduce the pollution. And yes, sir. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Om Prakash ji.
Good morning.
So, Om Prakash ji, today our topic is environment. So,
Yes,
can you say something regarding this?
yes. Environment is the surrounding us, all the animals, human, and plants. They just survive surrounding the environment. Right now, we are facing the many type of the environment harmful affected. Look like population, overpopulation, and disasters and global warming. Those are the effects we are the affected our environment. Air pollution. Look like the many types the pollutions is there. Air pollution, water pollution, disposals on the earth. So right now we are affected environment out of earth also. So this is a human created affected environment. Our global warming one of the them. Right now we are going to 3, 4G to 5G. The radiations much more surrounding to us. So many experts are telling we keep our mobiles and radiations radiated items beside to us. So usually we also needed mobile, but we can usually a good way. During the sleeping time, we never touch our mobile. No, never keep mobiles surrounding us. In the child age 0 to 15 or 14 years, don't all time carrying the mobile. Please, during the sleeping, you keep your mobile at least uh, 10 to 15 meters at least. Yes. Where you sleeping, you don't keep your mobile in there. So it is a much more radiation coming on that time. So something is little bit tip for using electronics items, which is increasing the radiation. We never use the fridge items. Yes, it is a very harmful for our the body. If you getting fridge items, yeah, cold items, taking in our body, so body getting some problem, digestive problem occurring after the 10 years, 20 years. You don't feel in the childhood, but in after the 20 years, 40 years, you getting the problem. So your digestive system will be affected. So that is we are the affected our environment. Same proportionally, our environment also affected us. So we need to clean our environment, air, earth, water, look like that. So all of you are the upcoming generations. So you should be caring about it. You don't be eat packed items. They are the very high carbons in packed items, so affected your body. So many of the things. Yes, Pankaj.
Thank you, Om Prakash ji. You provide us a lot of idea regarding environment. And all we know that without environment we can't live, right, Om Prakash ji? But
Mm-hmm.
right, a lot of people destroying, like cutting tree, so increasing
Yes, yes,
pollution.
yes. Mm-hmm.
So this is not good for our life. So we need to save our nature, our environment. But
We should be living with a logically life. Okay. We cut the tree and making a paper. Write on the paper. We should be save the tree. What is your logic? Is logic is just not acceptable? Is there? You cut the tree, making the paper by the tree, and you write on the tree, write on the paper. Please save the tree. So why you are cutting the? So you should be living the logically. You should be taking the low carbon food. Then you petty pack the chips and a burger and other things. You are taking pizza, burger, and taking. So you are carrying or taking in the high carbon food in your body and body got getting the acidic body and never always getting the problem. So you should be don't be use it. Okay. Then you telling so how so what is the item we can get in the food. Simple beach food getting from the directly by the tree. You should be more eat the tree. Look like many fruit is there in market. So you bring them and eat. Don't eat the modification food. Modification food never you give to healthy. you taking the many items substitute to look like Bonvita and Horlicks. Those items never help you. Yes. In the market survey research paper is telling that these items not give you the healthy. It will be give you become a after 40 after 50 then you become a body is very illness. So you should be aware for that. Yeah, we should be naturally friend. Yes, nature by friend. You getting directly food from the tree and getting it by a daily food. Yes. So we should be live with a logically life. If your logic is not fit well, then that you avoid it. That's the simple thing and simple trick. Yes. Yes, Pankaj.
We can say that simple life is always good. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Right
Right.
now, right. Okay. One example I give you. I am coming in my company through the canteen. The canteen area to right now the breakfast is going on. So poha is there. In poha, multiple item in poha. So they are fried in oil item. So it is very helpful in the morning time. Morning time we should be taking the organic food. Organic food look like a papaya, apple, guava, and, cucumbers. Look like you taking the morning food from the 8 to 10 a.m. It is very good for your health. Not you taking the samosa, idli vada, and other of the poha is the thing. You getting this type things after the 12 p.m. Or in evening, not you taking the oily food. If you taking those type, you are healthy and feeling very good. From the childhood, you taking the pizza burger, then you become the 30 or 35, you become a very problem. Your digestive system should be become very corrupted. So you should be aware. Your digestion system should be good. Then you do all the things. Your health is not good. Then you the good academic. Your academic is very good. You get a good job, but you not survive in company because your health is not supported you. Then you not supported. Not do your job. One of the example, one of the boy who is do the IIT in 19 years, only the 19 years. Do the IIT completed, then they did the PhD degree also in the 24 years. He is a professor in the IIT in the Bangalore, but his health not supported it. Then he write to letter to the government, please move to my IIT college to Bangalore to Patna. I will live there, but government not accept his proposal. So he gives the resign. Right now he is living in Patna in a simple life because his health is not supported. He have a good job, he have a good job, good life, but his health is not supported. So he is right now in the back end and go back and improve his health. So compromise your health is never good for your health, good for your life. Exercise, exercise, daily exercise, and reading is a work you should do. Yes, Pankaj, carry on.
So kids, this is our environment image. Yes. You've seen
Yes, sir.
our environment. But only yesterday Shivani sent us essay on environment. No any other kids.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is not good. If you have any problem, yes, this topic is very hard. Then please told us. You can change topic, but Understand? Image. Environment means what? Whatever we see in our surrounding. I like trees, sun, animals, everything, each and everything. So we need to understand. Otherwise, only you will join. It's it will not be very good. So try to understand. Try to homework prepared every day. Then after it will be very good for all of you. Only yes sir. It's not good. Yes, Avnish, can you say something regarding environment now? Avnish? Hello, Avnish.
Yes, sir.
First of all, please say something about yourself.
Name is Avnish Kumar Jha. My father's name is Mr. Bhavesh Jha. My mother's name is Mrs. Kavita Devi. I live at Shirpati. I live in class standard to my school name Rapasi Public School. My favorite subject name is Hindi math. My favorite color name is red. My favorite teacher name is Kumar Miss. My favorite dish pulse and rice. My father's is a farmer. My mother's is a home wife.
Do you know the meaning of tree?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the meaning of tree? Tree? ट्री को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
पेड़.
Okay. Can you say at least five different trees name?
फाइव ट्री का नाम बोले.
Yeah.
सर बोले केला का पेड़, केले का पेड़, मैंगो का
English.
पेड़. इंग्लिश में
English.
सर. बनाना का पेड़, पपाया का पेड़, मैंगो का पेड़, गुआवा का पेड़, लीची का पेड़.
So you can say that I like guava tree, banana tree,
मैंगो ट्री, लीची ट्री, एप्पल ट्री, ग्रेप्स ट्री.
you are living in villages, so you can say that a lot of trees surrounding you. You're right.
यस सर.
तुम्हारे चारों तरफ पेड़ ही पेड़ है.
यस सर.
Sakshi, please say at least 5 trees name. Sakshi,
क्या सर?
please say 5 trees name.
मैंगो ट्री, एप्पल ट्री, माल ट्री, हाँ मैंगो ट्री, एप्पल ट्री, लीची ट्री, गुआवा ट्री, पपाया ट्री.
और गुआवा ट्री।
Okay, okay. Julie, please say 5 trees name. Julie, please.
Yes, sir. Banana tree, mango tree, papaya tree, apple tree, grapes tree, lychee tree, and papaya tree, guava tree. Sir,
Okay. So,
कौन सा रूम
होमवर्क पे ऐसे क्यों नहीं लिखी जूली? कल का होमवर्क था ना इन्वायरमेंट पे?
यस सर।
क्यों नहीं
सर
लिखी?
वो सर समझ में नहीं आया तो हम नहीं लिखे।
समझ में नहीं आया तो कल ही बोलना चाहिए था ना कि सर ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या है इन्वायरमेंट। अभी समझ में आया है कि नहीं? अभी
नहीं सर।
अभी अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया।
नहीं।
इन्वायरमेंट मीन्स क्या है? हमारे चारों तरफ जो भी चीज है वो सब इन्वायरमेंट है, जो नेचर से है, जो नेचुरल है, समझ रही है ना?
यस सर। सर उसके बारे में लिखना है।
उसके बारे में लिखना था, नहीं लिखना था। शिवानी कैसे लिख दी? तुमसे छोटी है ना, वो सेकेंड क्लास में है।
यस सर हमें नहीं पता। शिवानी से पूछी तो वो लगा सर अपना परिचय लिखना है। वो बोली तो हम फिर रात में गए तो हम फिर रात में फिर रात में वो फोन की कि सर बोले हैं ये लिखने के लिए।
नहीं तो कल के सेशन में ही, कल के क्लास में बोलना चाहिए कि सर हम लोग को पता नहीं चल रहा है, हम दूसरा टॉपिक देते। कल पूछे तो तुम लोगों से ना कौन सा टॉपिक पे लिखना है। So Julie, please say something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Julie Kumari. My father's name is Mr. Bhavesh. My mother's name is Mr. Kavita Devi. I am 14 years old. I live in Sipati. I read in class 9th. My school name is Parastanta High School Bilwad. My father's is a farmer. My mother's is a housewife. My favorite subject Hindi. My favorite game hobby and sick. Hide and seek.
So you told us your favorite subject is Hindi. So do you know संज्ञा? संज्ञा जानती हो संज्ञा?
Yes, sir.
संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं?
नाम को सर या किसी व्यक्ति या किसी स्थान को संज्ञा कहते हैं। या किसी वस्तु
संज्ञा कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
सर 5 प्रकार के होते हैं। जातिवाचक, समवाचक, व्यक्तिवाचक, भाववाचक, प्रकारवाचक।
Hello Jolie,
Yes, sir.
how many noun or how many types of?
सर आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है, फिर से बोलिए।
संज्ञा कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
5 प्रकार के।
कौन?
सर भाववाचक, द्रव्यवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक, जातिवाचक, द्रव्यवाचक, समूहवाचक, व्यक्तिवाचक।
Anyone can you say in English what is
द्रव्य का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे द्रव्य का मतलब क्या है? द्रव्यवाचक का मतलब क्या है?
do you know Julie? द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं?
सर पता नहीं
हिंदी मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है। द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं पता नहीं?
सर जो
which
बहता
is the हाँ yes Julie tell
जो जो बहता है उसे द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं।
no in the Sanskrit द्रव्य is the material तो मेटेरियल वो जो कुछ पदार्थ है जो हमारे आसपास है उसको द्रव्यवाचक कहते हैं। यहाँ पे द्रव्य का मतलब तरल पदार्थ नहीं होता है, द्रव्य का मतलब सामग्री होता है, यहाँ पे मटेरियल होता है ना। थोड़ा सा करेक्शन के लिए हर एक स्टूडेंट को थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आता है इसको समझने में, बहुत लेट इस चीज को समझ में आता है। दे आर अंडरस्टैंड वेरी डिले। सो हियर द द्रव्य इज द मटेरियल, all of the material nearby you, it is the noun, material noun, द्रव्यवाचक।
proper noun, explain proper noun, adjective noun,
Yes,
common noun और सर proper noun पेज का देखो
So Shreya, can you say something regarding noun and how many types of noun?
So yes, so there are 5 types of nouns. Um, the 5 types of nouns are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, countable and uncountable noun, abstract noun, abstract noun, and one more is there. Abstract noun.
As per my view, you told us there are in one side there are 5 types of noun, and in second thing there are 2 types of noun, only countable and
Yes.
uncountable, right?
Yes. 5 abstract noun.
What is noun?
A noun is a noun can name a noun can na- a noun can name a person, place, animal, thing.
Noun is the name of place or things, right?
Yes, sir.
And in English, I listen one place. There are 2 types of noun only. One is countable noun and second is uncountable noun. Whatever we count, it's one noun, and second, we can't count, uncountable noun. As like sugar, rice,
Yes, sir.
we never count this.
Air.
Yes.
Abstract noun is also considered as uncountable noun.
So
So I
see,
think only this much nouns are there. Whatever I told.
so Sakshi, please say something about yourself, because we need to say something more and more every session. Oh no, Sakshi left it. I think due to network issues, she will join soon. So Shivani,
Yes sir.
please say something about yourself.
Yes sir. My name is Jani Kumari. I am 9 years old. I read in class 3. I read in New Jani Public School. I live in CB Patti. My father's name is Mr. Shravan Jha. My mother's name is Mrs. Mona Jha. My father is job. My mother is housewife. My favorite subject is science. My favorite game is hide and seek. My favorite color is pink.
Your favorite subject is math.
Science.
Science.
Science and English.
Okay, so what is science?
Yes, sir.
नहीं मैंने पूछा था कि साइंस क्या है और फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज साइंस साइंस है क्या
Hmm?
जान-
साइंस एक बुक है. Sir, but I don't have science book. I have EVS.
the full form of EVS
What's it?
EVS what is EVS EVS yes. It's a short name so what is the full form of EVS
Environment. Environment science.
right so now Rudra can you say something regarding environment
Um. Yes. Mm. So can I say?
yes Rudra
Yes, sir.
please say
Sir. Yes, sir. Environment plays a major role in giving birth to a new life in the growth of a life survive for the life and the overall well-being of and food then we eat and almost all the resources from our survival. Everything that surrounds us is referred to as the environment. It in, also in um, sir, I don't know. Or sir, done.
so Sakshi please say something about yourself
My name is Sakshi Kumari. My father name is Mr. Santosh Jha. My mother name is Mrs. Rupam Jha. My father is the businessman. My mother is the housewife. I live at Tirupati. I am 10 years old. I study in class standard 2. I read in FSC Functional Study of the Center. My favorite subject math. My hobbies are writing. My best friend name is Shivani. My favorite game hide and seek. My favorite color pink. My favorite dish rice and pulse. My favorite teacher Komal Miss.
Okay. So which you will write down today? Dog, it will be okay. Can you write something in dog? Sakshi?
सर डॉग पर लिखेंगे.
Yes. It will be okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, what? कहाँ कह सकते आई लिखै ला. हाँ आई के. साक्षी.
Please write down. Today's topic is dog. Yes. All
Yes.
you need to on one page regarding dog and send on.
Sir, dogs.
Yes, dog.
Okay, sir.
Because all know that dog is our pet. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please write down one page. Like essay on dog. Send on group.
सर एक पेज डॉग के बारे में लिखना है.
हाँ डॉग के बारे में लिखना है. I also told you at least 5 new words needed to write down in notebook, but no any kid till now write down. Why? मैंने तुम लोग बोला था ना कि 5 नया वर्ड डेली एक नोटबुक में लिखना है और उसको ग्रुप पर भेजना है. लेकिन अभी तक कोई नहीं भेज रहा. क्यों? नया वर्ड सीखोगी तभी तो बोलने में वर्ड मीनिंग समझ आएगा.
बुक नोटबुक.
शिवानी, जूली, साक्षी क्यों नहीं भेजी? एक नोटबुक बनाना है. एक नया 5 वर्ड तुमको डेली लिखना है. तो जो भी तुम हिंदी में बात करती हो घर पे उस हिंदी का वर्ड मीनिंग पता है या नहीं पता है? सपोज दिस इज ए बुक, इसका क्या मीनिंग होगा?
यह एक किताब है.
तुमको पता है दिस का भी मीनिंग पता है, इज का भी मीनिंग पता है, बुक का भी मीनिंग पता है. बराबर. वैसे ही जब तुम हिंदी में बात करते हो तो बहुत सारे ऐसे हिंदी वर्ड होते हैं जिसका कि इंग्लिश तुमको पता नहीं है. राइट. ऐसे केवल 5 वर्ड नया 5 वर्ड तुमको डेली राइट डाउन करना है और उसको याद भी करना है. तो तुम लोगों को कल इन्वायरमेंट का पता ही नहीं था. इन्वायरमेंट का हिंदी होता है वातावरण. बराबर. और वातावरण में क्या होता है? हमारे चारों तरफ जो भी चीज नेचुरली जो भी चीज है उसको इन्वायरमेंट बोलते हैं. पेड़ पौधा हो गया, हवा हो गया, सनलाइट हो गए, वाटर हो गए, इतने सारे चीज, अर्थ धरती हो गए. जितने सारे चीज तुम अपने सामने देख रहे हो ये सारे के सारे चीज नेचुरल चीज है जिसको हम लोग इन्वायरमेंट बोलते हैं. जिसको हम तुम नहीं बनाए हुए, नेचर से बना हुआ है. राइट। अब तो समझ में आया ना इन्वायरमेंट क्या है। ईवीएस
Yes,
डेली
sir.
बोल रहे हो कि ईवीएस मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है, और ईवीएस का फर्स्ट वर्ड ही है इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस, राइट ना। जो भी चीज समझ में नहीं आए ना तो सेशन में ही, क्लास में ही पूछने का कि हाँ
सर, होमवर्क में क्या लिखेंगे?
डॉग पे लिखना है, डॉग पे, और 5 नया वर्ड बताए थे पहले भी। एक नोटबुक बनाना, नोटबुक में डेली 5 वर्ड, ज्यादा नहीं, 5 वर्ड, जो वर्ड तुमको अभी तक पता नहीं है, जो तुम हिंदी में बात करते हो ना घर पे,
सर,
हिंदी में जो बात हिंदी में जो बात करती हो तो उसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड है जिसका तुमको इंग्लिश
हेलो
पता
सर।
नहीं है। बाबा इंग्लिश नया 5 वर्ड इंग्लिश में लिखना है, तो जो वर्ड तुमको पता नहीं है
हाँ,
अभी तक।
खसा दो। ये जे एकरा में प्रॉब्लम है। Sir, Pankaj sir.
यस,
Good morning, Pankaj sir. Sir, I am going to send a link so the kids can join. The timing would be 8 to 9. Sir, you are hearing me?
yes, send on group. We will send
Okay.
to and regarding what?
Okay, sir.
Regarding science.
Science. Yes, sir.
And Aryan, try to say something. Can you say something regarding environment? Today topic is our environment.
Sir, I'm not ready for this.
You have no more idea regarding environment?
Yes, sir, I have. Environment is getting hotter day by day because of pollution. In the early days, the border of every country was bigger cause there was around 20,000 years ago, Sri Lanka was connected to India, and after many years the temperature rose up, and that's why we have global warming. This is almost 5% of the ice of Antarctica is going to melt in 2100. So it's a big concern, and that's it. So hello.
Very nice. तो सब लोग समझे ना कि 5 नया वर्ड नोटबुक में लिखना है, याद करके आना है, जो हम लोग कल से सुनेंगे तुम लोगों से, राइट। 5 नया वर्ड जो तुमको नहीं आता है, जिसका हिंदी मीनिंग तो तुमको पता है लेकिन इंग्लिश में तुमको पता नहीं है, जो डेली, जैसे सुबह सुबह तुम लोग उठते हो और रात को सोने तक जो भी चीज तुम हिंदी में बोलते हो, उसमें जो वर्ड तुमको नहीं आता है हिंदी का इंग्लिश, वो इंग्लिश का मीनिंग तुमको वहां लिखना है। समझ रहे हो शिवानी? 5 नया वर्ड जो तुमको नहीं आता है वो लिखना है नोटबुक में, और एक लेख इससे लिखना है डॉग पे, राइट। डॉग पे ऐसे लिखना है, और 5 नया वर्ड जो इंग्लिश में तुमको नहीं आता है, जो वर्ड, वो वर्ड लिखना है और याद करना है।
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना किसी को? ऐसा तो नहीं किसी को समझ में आया कि क्या चीज पे लिखना है? अगर कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो कि हाँ ये चीज समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या है नहीं है। सब लोग डॉग पे ऐसे लिख लोगी ना, साक्षी, शिवानी,
यस सर।
अवनीश।
यस सर। हाँ सर, हो जाएगा। यस सर।
एंड 5 नया वर्ड, 5 न्यू वर्ड्स जो तुमको
यस
पता
सर।
नहीं है। डेली जो भी तुम लोग बात करते हो हिंदी में, उसमें जिस 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 हिंदी का मीनिंग पता नहीं है कि इसका इंग्लिश क्या होता है ना, वैसे वैसे छोटे छोटे वर्ड लिखना है। राइट श्रेया, इट विल बी गुड फॉर किड्स।
Yes, sir. According to you, it's very good. As you said, it's very good.
Yes, because a lot of them
And
Hindi medium.
if they will write the words, they will think more on the words,
Right,
whatever they are saying, and from there they will collect. So in this speaking rule also maintains. So it's a very good idea, sir.
right. Oh, Prakash, can you say something?
Yes, this is a good thing about yes. This is a good thing. Every child should be learning new word. Only five. Very few, very low task. Not a much more task. Just you spend 5 to 10 minutes, and you getting new word from the anywhere, anyone, your father, your mother, your teachers. Please tell me 5 new word. They tell the new word. You write down your notebooks and meaning also you learning about the meaning, what is the meaning, these words, or how we can use in your sentence, your language. So right now the 5 children is there in our group, so 5 into 5 into 25, so every day we have learning 25 new words. Okay. Then another of the dog dog topics give to everyone. So you should be learning about the top dog. What is the physical structure of the dogs? What is the behavior of the dog? How we can make a dog to as a pet animals, and what is the category of the dogs? Look like Indian dogs, yeah, European dogs, yeah, American dogs. Which dog is the best in the world? So you should be know whenever you have getting the topic. So you should be learning about the whole the world. What is the perspective in the whole the world? पूरे संसार में कुत्तों के बारे में क्या क्या कहा जाता है, तो कौन कौन से देश में कैसे रखते हैं, उनका हिस्ट्री क्या है, कौन कौन से युग काल में अंदर कुत्तों के साथ में क्या क्या बिहेवियर हुआ है, उनकी कैटेगरी क्या है, कौन सा कुत्ता सबसे ज्यादा खतरनाक है, कौन सा कुत्ता बहुत लॉयल है, वो सब के बारे में आपको टॉपिक में कंसीडर करके लेके आना है। तो ये एक बेस्ट टॉपिक कंसीडर हो जाएगा। यस, अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? तो यस, then you learning about the one topic is closed. You should be close one topic. Okay, you know about the dogs. That's your increase your GK and general knowledge. Yes, Pankaj, right now time is going on, so 7 a.m. it happens. I think everyone is understands for the
Yes.
tomorrow topic. Yes, Pankaj.
And also try to write down 5 new words. Try to join session on time 6 a.m. Okay, Sakshi?
Okay, sir.
Okay.